osakeyhtiö.
Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Skinnarilla.
Skinnarilla on koti.
Yeah.
Orioninkatu 14, niin Sammonlahti Lappeenranta. We thought that this building was made in, or finished in 2000 and it would have an Hissit, but not. Built in 2016, 42494 I think these walls are white.
Yeah.
Like this one.
But already vandalized.
Basic in Sammonlahti.
Yes. Vakio.
Yeah.
Wow, skaala 3.
Ett plus 6 cm.
Det var kanske inte väldigt kul anymore.
Yeah.
Actually feels better than gas and shit that you saw.
Okay.
Inspektiippaa kiva inspektoida me eteenpäin.
This cab is looking cheap.
Painted metal.
Is it cheap? Or is white plastic more cheap?
Yeah.
I think as cheap as stainless steel can. Oh, later more expensive.
Good quality.
Yes.
No one can use it, but that's it.
That's it.